Yehovah Eloheinu Sevaot, Kadosh, 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 please fill me and lead me and cover me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts in mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, He, Vav, He. Hand, behold, nail, behold. 1 Samuel chapter 11. Then Nahash the Ammonite came up and sat up camp to fight Yavish Gilad. All the men of Yavish said to Nahash, if you will make a treaty with us, we will be your subjects. Nahash the Ammonite replied, I'll do it on this condition, that all your right eyes be gouged out, and thus bring disgrace on all Israel. The leaders of Yavish answered him, give us 7 days' grace to send messengers throughout Israel's territory. Then, if no one will rescue us, we will surrender to you. The messengers came to Gibeah, where Shaul lived, and said these words in the hearing of the people, and all the people cried out and wept. As this was going on, Shaul came following the oxen out of the field. Shaul asked, what's wrong with the people to make them cry like that? They told him what the men from Yavish had said. The Spirit of God fell on Shaul. When he heard this, blazing furiously with anger, he seized a pair of oxen and cut them in pieces. Then he sent them throughout the territory of Israel with messengers, saying, anyone who doesn't come and follow Shaul and Shmuel, this is what will be done to his oxen. The fear of Yehovah fell on the people, and they came out with united hearts. He reviewed them in Bezich. There were 300,000 from the people of Israel. The men of Yehuda numbered 30,000. To the messengers that had come, they said, tell the men of Yavish Gilad, tomorrow, by the time the sun is hot, you will have been rescued. The messengers returned and told the men of Yavish. They were overjoyed. Then the men of Yavish said to Nahash, tomorrow we will surrender to you, and you can do with us whatever you like. The next day Shaul divided the people into 3 companies. Then they entered the camp of the Ammoni during the morning watch and kept attacking until the heat of the day, until those who remained were so scattered that no 2 of them were left together. The people said to Shmuel, who are the men who said, is Shaul to rule over us? Hand them over to us so we can put them to death. But Shaul said, no one will be put to death today, because today Yehovah has rescued Israel. Then Shmuel said to the people, come, let's go to Gilgal and inaugurate the kingship there. So all the people went to Gilgal, and there in Gilgal before Yehovah they made Shaul king. They presented sacrifices as peace offerings before Yehovah there, and there Shaul and all the people of Israel celebrated with great joy. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this awesome 11th chapter of 1 Samuel? We can know we can submit to Yehovah and his written word. Seek the grace of Yehovah and request Yehovah to rescue you out of the hands of your enemies. Surrender to Yehovah. Cry out and weep for the lost. Ask for the Spirit of Yehovah Elohim to fall on you. Be not afraid to blaze furiously with anger, but do not sin. Send bold messages to lead the people of Yehovah. Ask for the fear of Yehovah to fall on his children. Seek unity of hearts for all the people of Yehovah. Fight for Yehovah wholeheartedly. Trust that joy comes from Yehovah. Trust that Yehovah will rescue you from the power of your enemies. Present your life as a living sacrifice to Yehovah. Seek to obey Yehovah wholeheartedly. Celebrate Yehovah with great joy. How can we love others? As Yeshua loves us, we can unite others with the fear of Yehova. Bear one another's burdens. We can seek the Spirit of Yehova to fall on you to unite his chosen children. Produce spiritual fruit, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, and self-control. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehova will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with the hedge of protection. Yehova will illuminate the wholeness of his being towards you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehova will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and will set in place all you need to be whole and complete.